The purpose of this demonstration was to test the effectiveness of Super Therm coatings as an effective energy conservation measure to reduce internal thermal loads on standard shipping containers. A complete thermographic analysis was conducted on all surfaces. As you will see in the thermograms, the darker areas indicate cooler temperatures, while the higher color and white areas indicate excessive heat. The Super Therm product effectively reduced these thermal gains from as high as 155 degrees down to surface temperatures that were manageable at 105 degrees. The corresponding internal container temperatures were also reduced from a high of 118 degrees down to 95 degrees. An energy flow analysis was also conducted on the test specimens to determine the degree of cooling loss from the inside container to the outside environment. Starting with an internal cooling source of 3.5 tons of simulated cooling medium, the external loss, noted with the negative numbers, were recorded. In this instance, the container retrofitted with the Super Therm product was showing a 3.39 ton thermal loss. An identical test was conducted on the standard shipping container at the same time of day under the same weather conditions. From this specific point, you can see that the standard container's losses are exceeding the losses of the container retrofitted with the Super Therm product. The end result was almost a 50% increase in thermal transfer. What's the bottom line? In this particular instance, over a 24-hour period, we analyzed over 4,320 independent data points. Regardless of whether we were looking at external surface temperatures, internal compartment temperatures, internal humidity, external reflectivity, or ultraviolet degradation, the container retrofitted with the Super Therm coating was 46 to 52% more efficient than the standard containers.